Hi, my name is Andrew Hill. I moved to London from the States, where I began my career as a management consultant, primarily for international law firms and private equity funds. I've just submitted my independent research project for my LLM law conversion so that I can ultimately practice as a solicitor here in the UK. Finding paralegaling experiences through Flex was very easy. Their induction process was very simple, and it allowed me to find assignments that I was interested in with companies working on projects that I was familiar with. I was initially placed with Eigen Technologies, a software company working in artificial intelligence, where I was able to apply my computer science background with my skills that I'm developing in legal services. After I finished the assignment with Eigen Technologies, I began working with Kepler, a brand new law firm where the partner hired me with my management consulting background to help set up the initial processes, business modeling, setting up information technology systems and things like that. And we continue to work together today. The challenges that I've found with both assignments have been really interesting. With computer science at Eigen Technology, the process is really iterative. And so without a long background working in contracts, it was interesting finding ways to train the artificial intelligence to interpret these really long documents that come significantly from financial services, but they are also starting to emphasize their value to law firms. The challenges at Kepler were completely different. A lot of what we were doing was just setting up brand new processes from the beginning. We were setting up pricing models, service packages, and setting up the software that would make the company scale over time. So the challenges have been very entrepreneurial with both of my assignments, and I think that suited me really well. Working in an entrepreneurial environment has a lot of opportunities to find the challenges interesting. If you're a self-starter, either one of these types of assignments would work well for you. The interesting thing about working with Eigen Technologies was every day we would start a process and we would be hindered by something by midway through the day and have to step a couple steps backwards to figure out the best way to make these solutions work for clients permanently and not just on a single day or a couple of day basis. With Kepler, the things that I found most interesting were getting essentially my fee earner status, where I was actually drafting documents for the first time, and he let me take the lead on figuring out how to do that myself and would give me as much support as I needed, but then we would go back and forth to figure out how things would work best going into the future. Flex makes paralegaling experiences really easy to find. As a paralegal who intends on growing their future legal career, it's really good to get commercial experience, but also it's great to find out which things interest you the most, so that whenever you're going through training contract interviews or even looking further down the road, getting a paralegal experience where you've actually felt what it's like to sit in that seat on a day-to-day basis is invaluable. And so take every opportunity that you can, including internships and placements, job shadowing, things like that. The nice thing about paralegaling is that you get paid as well.